All right. I really wanted to share this shortcut. So I like to read or have Siri read for me, super fast. I'm going to show you a shortcut that I've just implemented into my workflow so that I can start reading or have Siri start reading, and then also save the notes as I highlight what she's reading. And there's just this new shortcut that's built in. It allows you to tap on the back of the device and trigger a Siri shortcut. So uh, just so you know, I'm actually going to be triggering one shortcut that I'm triggering isn't actually a Siri shortcut. It's just a system accessibility feature, and it's read screen. That's one of them that I trigger with taps. The other one is Booknotes, and you'll see it. It's up in the top corner up here of this little widget. The Booknotes, what that does is it extracts the text from the page and saves it into a file in iCloud. And I have a file open right now on the desktop that it's notes from a book that I've been saving notes from. So let's go through real quick. We'll do a quick demo, and then we'll go through and explain how I set this up. Okay, so let's find the next highlighted text. If we can't find any, we'll just do this. Okay, so now I'm going to highlight just like that by dragging my finger. Okay, and then I need to copy it to my clipboard, so I just copy. And then all I have to do, previously I would have had to leave the app, go into shortcuts, and trigger the Booknotes shortcut. But now, all I need to do is tap on the back twice, 1, 2, and it runs the shortcut, and then it automatically saves to iCloud, and there it goes, right into the file that it is designated for. It's pretty awesome. So instead of leaving the app, I can actually start doing this really, really quickly. There we go. Highlight some more and hit the copy button, double tap, boom, saves it. And now it's just adding notes and pulling the highlights out, putting them onto the file here. Pretty sweet. So how do I set this up? Well, at first I have that Booknotes shortcut. So I wonder if I can, we'll just go into here. Booknotes shortcut. I wrote this script that pulls the text out, removes links to the book on the bookstore so that we don't have that every single time we pull text. And then I take the title of the book from the when you copy it out, it gives you the text that you highlighted, the name of the book, and then a link to the book in the bookstore. What I did was I broke all those out into separate items, and then I pulled out the text and I saved it to a variable, and then I pulled out the name of the book and I saved that to a variable, and those are the only two that I cared about, and I got rid of the other ones. And so I named the file the title of the book. And so what this does is it does a check. If the file exists with the name of the book as a file name, it will append whatever's in that file with what I just copied. If the file does not exist, it will create the file and then add the text to it. Okay, so that's what the shortcut does. The other part is in settings here, there's an accessibilities feature called back tap, I think. Here we go. Accessibility in touch. The bottom of touch, it says, back tap. And what I did, so on double tap, it runs my Siri shortcut, which is Booknotes. There's also system shortcuts, but then here's then accessibility shortcuts, and then scroll gestures. That's cool. But then shortcuts, it allows you to trigger any of your shortcuts that you've made. And so I selected Booknotes right there as a shortcut assigned to a double tap on the back. And then a triple tap on the back, it will do an accessibility shortcut, which is speak screen right there. So that allows me to do some pretty powerful stuff with my iPhone, which really accelerates my, let's say, my untapped potential, right? So highlight it, copy, double tap, and then boom. pulls out the text, title, finds the file, saves it with the new text added at the bottom. Pretty awesome.